I should be looking. But I'm not. Is it the 20th today? I don't know. Anyway, today's December special offer. We're way past halfway, so it's a beautiful day. And it's a beautiful day to conjure, don't like that word, to attune to your angelic realms, spiritual realms, the spirit realm, your home, where you come from, the angels that you call your family, your doggies that may have passed, your cat, your horse, your children may have passed. Yeah, nobody should go through that in life. Your mum passing, all that. You know, they're always around, they're always near, they're always nudging us all the time. It's just that we're too much in, we're too caught up in all the nonsense, all the lies and manipulations and the stage shows. This is a little special offer I'm putting out to everybody, and it's called the Angel Kit. So first of all, keeping an angel close is just a reminder of your family and spirit. It's not really an angel. It's just gives you a little, oh, just a reminder all the time. And amethyst is the crystal that many people realize is one of the more common crystals that helps you attune to the spirit world. And it's fascinating. There's so many different types of amethyst, Vera Cruz, Bramberg, you can just go on and on. But amethyst in general is a beautiful high vibe crystal. So this is a beautiful thing to keep in your pocket, keep with you, or put it next to your bed. So hold it whenever you're thinking about your family and spirit, and always remember when you feel your family and spirit, when you think about them for no reason, they're normally there. So that's the first thing that comes to you by DHL Worldwide Delivery. That's free from my heart to yours, so it'll come to you within a few days. Next is, I think, probably my favourite book that I've ever written. This is the book called From My Heart to Yours. I love the cover. I think it's beautiful. My name there, and a daily dose of inspiration. So basically what I would do, I used to have a man bag, and I used to carry this when anybody felt a bit bad, and I used to say, just, think of a number between 20 and 80. Think of a number, just think of any numbers more than one, because the book doesn't start, the actual, it starts around about page 9. So you could say, think of a number between 9 and, let's have a look, and 176. So you say between 9 and 176. So like, I'll think of a number, 61. I just see number 61 in my mind's eye. So I won't read it, but there it is, 61. And the title today of this one is It's My Choice. I choose my work, I choose my friends, I choose my family, I choose how to feel, and I choose how to think. I choose to love, I choose never to fight again, and I choose to see the good in everything. I choose everything in my life that makes me the happiest I could ever be. I make these choices so I can be even stronger when we look into each other's eyes and feel the healing of two people who only love to love, knowing that everyone we know loves us just as much. This is indeed the most amazing energy of our life. I choose my own happiness first and tell my mind to be still when it tries to say that's selfish. You see, putting yourself first is the most unselfish thing you could ever do in the eyes of the people who truly love you and want you to be well and happy. If you take care of yourself first to be well, happy, and free, then you can give that love and energy to others. Oh. So these are messages that I attuned every day after 20 years of working with clients. I used to walk on this very road to the very end to my beautiful tree, which is over 500 years old and gives off beautiful fruits. They are beautiful. Well, are they fruits? I'm not sure. Is an olive a fruit? But I used to sit there with my two schnauzers and just start to channel. And I sometimes stop halfway and then start to write down, and they're all in here. So the channel messages. So the Amethyst Angel comes with this beautiful book that I'm proud of. There was another little book that I wrote too. It's this one, and I'm proud of this as well. It was just little thoughts. After a healing session, or midway into a healing session, I'd get up and quickly write something down. I'll do it now. It's exactly the same way. This is called Hold That Thought. So it's just a thought that I'd have, and I'd write them down. And that's why I came up with this: hold that thought, don't let it go as you're giving somebody a healing. So this channel messages again. It's called The Little Book of Healing and Empowerment. Okay, so it's just a small little book, size of my hand. So again, you can do exactly the same thing. If you see a number on the streets, in anywhere, you see a number online, then I'll use that. I'll take that number and see if it's in here. So I'm going to go for 26 because on the 26 something amazing is happening. So I'll go to page 26. Okay, this is the message for me today and you. We can easily spend all our lives trying to fix everything when so often all we ever need to do is just sit and listen with a caring ear. Okay, beautiful. 2 books that have helped many people in their life. I made a set of angel cards a long time ago, and they've weathered really well. They're beautiful. They're powerful messages from the angelic realm, from our spirit realm. And basically, somebody once called me the healer of hearts and put it out there, and I thought that's quite nice. If I'm going to be called anything, I think healer of hearts would be quite nice. I don't really use that anymore, but it's just nice that somebody said that, because they said that I'd healed their heart and their families too. So that was really nice. They wrote a nice article about me a while ago, so I kept that. Don't often use it anymore, but there you go. They're my cards. They're beautiful. Again, all you need to do is carry them around with you. If anybody's feeling bad, just open them out and let them choose a card, and you'll be surprised how relevant that message will be, because synchronicity is Spirit's helping hand. So that's that beautiful deck of cards. So that'll come to you as well. And then I created 1 deck of cards, but I realized it was too big. So I needed to split them into 2. So what you're looking at here is my second attempt of angel cards. And so that's my first edition and second edition. You're going to get both of these as well. Now, these are slightly bigger than normal angel cards because it's easier to read. So them 2 are going to come to you as well. So that's quite a beautiful special offer today. We're going to do it at a very good price. So I hope you appreciate that. We're going to put up, I think, maybe 4 sets. So the first 4 people will get them at a special offer. Hope you appreciate that. It's a beautiful day. Sending my love to you all. Take care of yourself from my heart to yours. Take care. Have a lovely day. Till tomorrow.